Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're ready for your next phonics lesson because I'm ready to teach it. So today we are going to work on a paper and I'll show you what the paper looks like in just a minute. Before we move on, I'm going to tell you that we're going to learn a special sound. We're going to go over some sight words and you need to get your pencil nice and sharpened and you have to make sure that you have your whiteboard today. We'll just write a couple of words, all right, on the whiteboard and mark them and read them. So go ahead and get that. Remember your paper. I am going to show you which one right now. I'll go ahead and share the screen so you know what the paper looks like. All right? Okay, I hope you're having a fabulous morning so far. And these days are going so quickly. I can't believe it's already Tuesday, right? Okay, so this is the paper that you are on today. So it's the one that has the jam on it, so you can go get that. Hope you have it. So like I said, before we move on to the paper, I'm going to go ahead and go over this chart with you. And we're going to look at some special sounds too after we're finished. So let's go over these special sounds and chat with me. Here we go. This is full in beautiful, F-U-L. Air in care, A-R-E. Tin in mountain, T-A-I-N. You're in pure, U-R-E. Chur in pasture, T-U-R-E. War in warm, W-A-R. Shun in nation, T-I-O-N. Shun in missionary, S-I-O-N. Jun in television, S-I-O-N. A in 8, E-I-G-H. In sailor, O-R. In dollar, A-R. I in crystal, Y. Air in cherry, E-R-R. Very good, guys. You're doing great so far. So today we will look at these words here, and they come from actually the special sounds. So we have the chart that we're looking at. It comes from this chart here, and it's A in 8 and in sailor, O-R. So let's go ahead and take your whiteboard, get your whiteboard marker out, and we're going to go ahead and mark these words. We're going to write them and read them and mark them, okay? So get ready, and you can start off. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. We're going to write actor, actor, See this? In sailor, O-R. A-C-T-O-R. Ready? Go ahead and write that. And the next one is sleigh, S-L-E-I-G-H. This is A in 8, E-I-G-H. So it's right here. See that? And then a sleigh, you know what a sleigh is, right? And then here is pastor. So pastor is another special sound here. Pastor, in sailor, O-R. So those are 3 words that have the special sounds from the chart that we just went over. And like I said, it's actor, sleigh, and pastor. Good job, guys. You could go ahead and write those words down and mark them. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to go over some sight words. Remember that we have the sight words that we go over? Let's see where they are here. Here they are, right here. Let's go ahead and read the top row. Read them with me, please. And I'm going to mark them with sight words are marked with a circle and given eyelashes because they are sight words. You see them with your eyes. There's no following the rules. You just need to learn them by sight. So read them with me, please, aloud. It's your, from, have, was, come, you, said, I, the, of, to. Got it? All right, good. I'm glad you guys are learning it. It's important to go over your sight words. And now, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and get our paper out. Put your name on your paper. Remember, that's really important. And we're going to go ahead and get on that paper right away. It's right here. And we're going to start at the very top and read the directions with me, please. It says, choose the correct word to finish each sentence and write it on the line. So do you understand right now what we're going to do? I bet you do. We're going to read the sentence right here, and we're going to choose one of those words, either this one or this one, the one that best fits to complete the sentence, and we're going to put it right there. You've done this before, remember? Okay, let's move forward, and we are going to mark the sentence. Here we go. It says, Beth will play. Oh, there's a special sound, A in play, and pull in plain PL, and the will is just over the I. So Beth will play you have two choices. You could choose game or same. What would you choose? Beth will play a game or Beth will play a same. Oh, I hope you chose game because that is correct. So circle that and you're going to write it here, boys and girls. The G is going to go into the basement like this, and it's all lowercase, please. No uppercase letters because this does not start the sentence and it's not anyone's name, right? So it's Beth will play a game and it ends with a period. You see the punctuation there? That's what it's ending with. And Beth starts with a capital letter because it is someone's name and also because it starts the sentence. Now let's go on to the next sentence. Greg, okay, so you have to circle the G and the R. Greg likes, what does he like? Blank jam. Let's read the choices. Does he like grown jam or does he like grape jam? What would be the best answer to complete that sentence? Oh, did you choose grape? You are right. So we're going to circle the word grape, boys and girls, and then we're going to write it here on the line, Grape, and there are two letters there that go in the basement, right? The G and the P both go down in the basement, grape. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to the next sentence, and the word Pat is capitalized because it's somebody's name and it starts the sentence. So here we go. Pat drove the blue. What did he drive? Pat drove the blue. Let me go ahead and circle BL. Blue. Did he drive the blue cape? Or, this one's a challenge. This one is not going to be marked with a smiley face, boys and girls, just because it has one vowel in it. It's not going to say the short vowel sound all of the time. In this case, you're circling R and star AR, and the word is car. So let's go ahead and read the sentence. Pat drove the blue cape, or Pat drove the blue car. What would make sense? Oh, good. I'm glad you chose car. And you're writing lowercase c, lowercase a, and lowercase r to complete the sentence. Pat drove the blue car. And again, it ends with the punctuation of a period. Now, it doesn't always need to end with a period, but in this case, that's what they're choosing for these sentences. Now, let's go to the last sentence. It's Jack, right? Capital CK, Jack will blank the blank. So let's see. You have 4 words, but you choose 2 of them. Here we go. Jack will plant, okay? or plug the blank. Let's read the next two words. Sift and seeds. So sift means when it's, for example, if you have um, uh, let's see, one of those, let's say a pan, and you're sifting through it, you put sand in it and you're shaking it gently to sift the sand. And and you start finding things in there in the sand, you sift it, that means you're beginning to let it go. Sometimes you make it a little less thick by sifting it, right? And you start spreading the sand and you can see things in it. Or also you get a pan that has tiny holes in the pan, and you sift the sand through, and the thin sand goes through the little holes, and the thick stuff stays inside on top of the pan. You sift it through, a sift, right? So I wanted to explain that word to you because I know that sometimes you read words that you do not know what they mean, and you need to understand what the words mean, right? So you can choose your right answer. So that's a little bit of an explanation of what sift means. So I hope you understood. But let's see, let's choose which correct word does fit in there, okay? Jack will plant the sift. Would that make sense? Jack will plug the seeds. What two would make sense? Jack will, how about if we put plant in there? Plant. He will plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. But P is in the basement, boys and girls. So if we put Jack will plant the sift, that will not make sense because remember, I told you, it's when you are bringing something like sand and making it go through little holes, it will not make sense, believe me. And so let's try the next word. Jack will plant the seeds. Can you plant seeds? Yes, you can. So I would choose seeds, and we will put seeds here. DS, make sure that you're not putting a BS because then it's going to say seeds and not seeds. So there we go. We completed our paper. I hope that I didn't give you too much explanation about the word sift. But like I said, it's important that you know what the words mean, right? So anyway, I hope you liked the paper that we did together, and I hope that you enjoyed our whole lesson. And let me stop sharing here with you. And I hope that you are going to stay tuned for your math lesson. And I'm so proud of everything that you're doing. So keep on working hard, and we will do math together next. All right? I love you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.